The case that you assisted me with was the protective order against me. I needed to hire an attorney because I was not confident standing before the judge and analyzing him, the way he'd answer questions, and he was speaking to other people before me, that I could not present my case accurately in the way it needs to be in a legal matter. So that's when I sought out for a legal assistant, a lawyer, sorry. I chose Bryan Fagan after researching for lawyers who handle protective orders, because they had the highest quality reviewing the website. Some of their reviewing other people who had left their testimony were very satisfied with their work, even though it wasn't under protection orders. Yeah, I was still happy with that. And being a combat veteran, I saw that there is a 10% discount to helping veterans. So I really appreciated that. My experience with my attorney, Brittany, my paralegal, Francesca, and Alicia, as well as my billing rep, Shanika, I was very impressed with Brittany's immediate response to, at such a short-term notice. By the time I found a lawyer and got an immediate response, Brittany only had a day to ask for an extension, and she got it. Between the paralegal, Francesca, and Alicia, they immediately started asking questions for what they needed from me while Brittany was working. And as I got paralegal, Francesca, and Alicia everything they needed, they were immediately compiling it together and showing me what they did, kept me informed, as well as Brittany kept me up to date almost hourly on how things were going, what she needed from me, and how quickly we can compile all our exhibits and be ready for the next hearing. And then during this process, the billing rep, Shaniqua, she was very helpful in answering questions, especially some of the billing, some of the jargon not everybody understands. So she was very clear and understanding on how, what they mean and how nothing is being shortchanged. And it was just very easy to, from her perspective, to shoot it back to me to understand that. I would highly recommend the law firm of Bryan Fagan, because the quality of work, and not just being one person, the client and the attorney, or even client and attorney and paralegal, but everybody had a part between Brittany, Francesca, Alicia, and the billing rep. Everybody had a part to play that made this thing faster, easier, understandable, and effective in putting together a beautiful artwork. By the time everybody was done, it was incredible. Everything was laid out, the communication was on point, and I was completely in awe. And being from the Army, just recently retired from the Army, that's exactly what we do in the Army as we work as a team. This team brought me right back to working with my team, so I hugely appreciated that.